Hi everyone, welcome back to KBK P6 Planner and Scheduler YouTube channel. In our previous video, we built the foundation by setting up the EPS and the OBS. Today, we are finally moving into the actual workplace, creating projects. Before we start, if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Also, share this video with your colleagues and project management community. In this video, I will show you how to use the project wizard to initialize your project correctly and link them to the manager we created last time. Let's dive in. In our last video, we used the XYZ construction group as a project and we created this EPS structure and also we create OBS and we assign the designated personnels here. So today we're gonna create projects for this EPS. So let's dive in. So we're gonna create projects for suburban housing and high-rise apartments. In the suburban housing, we have to go to File and create a new. So you're gonna see an EPS dialog box like this. So we're gonna select the EPS from here. So for suburban housing, we need to create 2 projects. So we're gonna click the add button and click the next one. So in project ID and project name, you have to input this information here. For this one, G+ for residential building project. So on the project ID, we make shorter for the project name. I will take the initials, so to make shorter, G4REPP. And then I'm gonna click the next button here. So here we have 2 information here. We have to input the project plan start and the must finish by date. So the project plan start means when the project will start. So that specific information, if you can input here. The must finish by date is if there is a constraint on this project. For example, this project must have to finish 1 year or 2 years. If there's any constraints, you can input here. But for this purpose, we can leave it blank because at the end, P6 will calculate based on the CPM. So we have to leave it blank here. So I will put the project plan start date here, which is April 6, 2026. So select it. So April 6, 2026 is added right now. So I'm gonna click the next button here. So here they asked us to assign a responsible manager. So in this case, we're gonna assign William, which is the system already assigned based on our previous how to assign OBS. So we're gonna leave it like that, or we're gonna pick this one. So William is here right now, and then next. So in this option for the rate type, you have a default, which is the standard rate. So we're gonna pick this one. So press the next button. So you will see congratulations, your new project has been created, which is the G+ for residential building projects. So we're gonna create another project as well. So we have another option also. We can click it here, the add button. So when we click the add button, we're gonna create another project. So it asks us to select which EPS. So by default, it's selected already. If not, we're gonna click here and we're gonna click the suburban or the high-rise. For this one, we need the suburban one. And then next, and in this one, G+2 residential building project. So in a project ID, I will make it shorter by taking the initials. You can use your own to make it shorter. Your project name for project 2, put it as a project ID, G2REP. So I'm gonna click the next button. So here, you have this information as well. So in this case, I will show you. I'm gonna put the must finish by date because the client has a constraint. The constraint is this project must finish by 10 months. So first I will put the project start date, which is March 2nd, 2026. Click it here. So March 2nd is here, so I will select this. So this is the project start date. The must finish date is after 10 months, which is January 2nd, 2027. I want to change the year, so I have to pick here, and then to the right, this one, it will go to 2027. So the month will be January, and then click this one, select. So now the must finish by date. Once we put these two information, click this one, the next one. So we have to assign a responsible manager. We're gonna keep project manager William the same. If you want to change, you can change from here. This is the WBS that we created last time. So William, project manager for this. Then click the next button here. So we're gonna select the standard rate here as usual, next, and then finish it. So as you see on here on the screen, G+2 residential building project is already created. Again, for this EPS as well, for high-rise apartments, we will create two projects. One is the KF apartment building project, the other one is the DY apartment building project. We follow the same step as previous one, so you can click here, add button. So select the EPS, the high-rise apartment is already selected, so I will click next, and then I have to put a project name, which is KF apartment building project. To make it shorter, I will take the initials, which is K, A, B, P. So click the next button here. So for this project plan start is April 6, 2026. I will click here, so April 6 is here. So I'll click the select button, then April 6, 2020. So project plan start is already selected. So I will leave blank as I said previously. So next I will select the project manager, which is already selected in the system. So to show you, I will click here. I will select Linda. So next, standard rate. I will use the standard rate, the most common one. And next, so congratulations project is, I will click the finish button. And again, I will create another project as well. This time I will use this one, file, new, and then select the EPS. I will select the EPS by clicking this button. I will select the high-rise apartments and add. And then I'm gonna click next. So we have to fill this information as well. So the project name of the other project name is DY apartment building project. For project ID, I'll take the initials of the project name, which is DABP. You can use your own as well. So click the next button here. So the project start date of this one is March 9, 2026. Click this one, pick the March 9, this one. So select, so March 9, 2026 is already selected. And then must finish by, leave it like this, and click next. We will pick project manager. The system already picked Linda because we did last time. So to show you, click this one here, Linda, and click next, select, pick this one, the standard rate, next, and then finish. So as you can see here on the screen, we have created 4 projects under the suburban housing and the high-rise apartments. So under suburban, we created G+4 residential building project and G+2 residential building project. In high-rise apartments, we created 2 projects, the KF apartments building project, DY apartments building project. So you can, if you don't want the G+2 residential building, you can delete by right click. You can delete, you can copy this project as well. So this, you can use these options. That's it. You are now ready to open your projects and start building your WBS. If this video helped you, give it a thumb up, subscribe, and share it with your networks. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.